Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to change language on iPhone. So guys, first just simply go ahead and go to your settings. Now over here on these settings, you can just simply go ahead and go for the general tab. And here on the general, you can just simply scroll down until you find over here language and region. Now, over here, as you can see at the very top, we will have our preferred language. So in default, we will have English. And of course, if we want to add a different language, we could just simply go ahead and select add language over here, and we will have multiple options over here that you can consider, guys. And pretty much you just simply select a specific language, and as you can see, you could change it right away, or you could just simply add it, so you will have other options, and you can utilize the search bar as well at the top. And pretty much that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.